Well, hello there. So, a bit of a vlog update thingy on why I haven't uploaded anything in, I don't know, 3 months or so. So, thing is, I've been really busy with life and stuff. And also, I got a workshop. Yay! This used to be a hairdressing salon, and yeah, it's got tons of mirrors everywhere, so I can't really show you all of it. But there's all my trash. There's rack mount server over there. Under it, there are a couple Power Mac G4s. There's the Hackintosh, a couple iMacs, some displays, another random tower. Another computer right there, that's a ThinkCenter, radio tuner, I don't know, tools, tons of tools. There's the receiver I'm using to get music around here, and the speakers over there. Have to put them somewhere. Yeah, so I got this, my father and I did. It's even got a bathroom. Look at that. So yeah, I'm planning on building some desks around here so I can use this as a battle station of sorts. Hopefully I will be able to mount a camera somewhere to make videos of, me repairing stuff and all that. And hopefully I will be able to stay here to edit them. So editing videos, because at home I don't really have the space. Yeah, the wiring in here has to be redone, everything. Look at that crap, it's horrible. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's why I haven't been uploading videos in so long. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Been busy, been really busy. So, I think that's about it. I was gonna do a face reveal, but I'm not sure. I don't really look the best today. I never look good anyways, but whatever, why the hell not? There I am. Hi there. Yeah, my hair is not the best. I'm pretty sure I look exactly how you expected me to look, but there I am. And yeah, great shitter I got there. Nice. It's full of mirrors, this thing. So hopefully I will. Yeah, it's difficult to film with all of these mirrors. Hopefully this part. So we have divided this. That's the street right there. This, again, it used to be a hairdressing salon, so this part will be sort of a media center thingy. I'll set up that TV, which is freshly trash picked. I have to fix the image processor on it because it has one of those fancy Faruja scalers, which I guess would come really handy if I used analog sources, but whatever. Yeah, I'm filming with my phone, sorry for the exposure issues. Yeah, we have divided that with all that shelving, and I think that's pretty much it. I'm running out of space on my card. And yeah, so again, this will be pretty much storage, and that's it. And this will be electronics repair here, battle station there. That's it, and the bathroom. And yeah, so hopefully I will be able to make videos in about a month or so. And thanks for all of you who have subscribed and stuff. I'm almost at 300 subscribers. So yeah, goodbye.